Jai Jagannath Darshak Bandhu, this is Raidanana. Welcome back to the channel with a new video. Recently, I ordered these Simtac 360 LED indicators for our Hunt 350. After reading and watching a lot of YouTube videos, so finally it's arrived. In the box you will get the warranty card and contact information along with the indicators as well, as you paid for it, bro. Just kidding. This will be an installation video with issues and fixes, so please bear with me. Before you make a move to order, check out for the pin configuration first. Well, this is a straight pin configuration. Let's begin with the installation. I have installed only one indicator as of now, and I must say it's really bright. But here is the problem arises. As you can see, the bulb is blinking very fast. The halogen bulb is blinking normal and seems really smooth. We bikers address this issue as hyperblinking. So how can we fix this? Let's install another LED bulb on the other side. Did we fix it? Really? But how? Before that, let me just inspect the bulbs first. The lights are really bright. The indicators are identical with each other, and I must say the quality of this product seems really nice. They just need to improvise a little bit. That's the only feedback I have for them as of now. Now comes another issue. Fitting back the indicators. You have to put the bike on main stand and fix the indicator lenses really carefully. Let's move to the front side. The same instructions are applicable on the front side as well. So I have fixed all 4 LED bulbs on their places. But the problem got solved earlier, right? What happened now? We have only one solution. Replace the stock flasher with the Unomida DC flasher. It costs like 90 rupees. Pause and take a screenshot if required. Before installing the flasher, let me check it. Now, installing the flasher is another pain in the butt. Boom! It's working like a charm. However, I installed the flasher back in its place. But I have some skills with my fingers. Now comes to another important thing with the seat, which requires a small attention. Do you see the space over here? It must needed to be slide into the tank hook carefully. Because last time it popped like a popcorn while I was riding. It could be really dangerous. And ensure the seat lock is on its position and it's locked. And now close the side door. Now keep your stock flashes and bulbs very careful. So that's pretty much for now. This is Raidanana. Adios amigos.